it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. I changed up the scenery just a little bit. We're in my bedroom instead of my filming room. Today's video, we are going to be doing a back to school haul. If you guys didn't know, recently, about a couple years ago, I developed shopping problem. I hated shopping my entire life. Recently, within the past couple of years, I've kind of formed an addiction, especially like with an emphasis online shopping, which is great for you guys because we have lots of hauls. Planning on doing just a back to school clothing haul, but then I went shopping again. Now we're doing like a big back to school haul. I have clothes, I have makeup, I have skincare, I have body care, I have school supplies, a bunch of stuff, just everything that I bought getting ready for back to school. This video is sponsored by Lulu's, so thank you so much to Lulu's for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. I love your clothes. They're so cute and they're just so yeah, that's me. Again, thank you to Lulu's for sponsoring this video. Also enter my giveaway on my Instagram if you guys haven't already, and without further ado, let's get started. Woo. Since Lulu's is so kind enough to sponsor this video, we're gonna start with them because we're good people. First thing that I got is a pair of jeans. I got these pair of jeans because I thought they were cute and different. Basically, a pair of black skinny jeans that flare out at the bottom, so they cut off a little bit shorter and then flare, which is really trendy. Kind of reminds me of like the 70s style. I also like that there's like the raw edge, so there's some fraying. These jeans are so cute. You can't even see the bottom. Yeah, I feel like they fit my waist perfectly. They hug my thighs really nicely. Flare is so cute. I have like dry shampoo in my hands and I got that all over the pants. I also got another pair of jeans from Lulu's. These are Levi's. I love that Lulu's carries a lot of really great quality brands. Everything that I've ever gotten from Lulu's is amazing quality and it's been super affordable. So, like, this is like not me trying to like give you like a sales pitch. Like, this is just me being honest. I don't care if this video is sponsored or not. I'd never lie to you. Like, they have really great stuff at a great price. If you guys are looking for some back to school clothes, definitely check out Lulu's. These Levi black jeans. And if you guys don't know, I'm in a sorority and we have chapter, and every other week we have formal chapter, which basically means you have to get like a little bit dressed up. The only kind of jeans that we're allowed to wear to formal chapter are black jeans. So I wanted to get a pair of black jeans because mine are horrible and like they don't fit me at all. They kind of suck. So I got this pair and I'm obsessed. I think I'm gonna wear these all the time. They are my new favorite pair of jeans. These are the Mile High super skinny jeans. They're extra high rise. They're slim through the hip and thigh. I love high-waisted jeans and these are super high-waisted. They're just amazing quality and I kind of want to get another pair. The black skinny jeans are so comfortable. They feel so soft. You know when like you put jeans on and they feel like jeans? These don't. They feel so soft on the inside and they like hit my legs perfectly right at my ankle. They are so high-waisted. Here's my belly button and here's where the shirt ends, or here's my belly button and here's where the pants like start. They're super high-waisted, which I like. I see myself wearing this so much. This skirt, which is adorable, it's basically just like a black mini skirt. I really wanted to get something simple that I could pair with like a cute top if I wanted to go out with my friends or something. The inside is like really soft too, and this just like hits me in all the right places. It's a nice staple that I feel like I didn't own. You can get a lot of staples at Lulu's. It's really high-waisted. Like, I put it up to here, but if you wanted it to be longer, you could just like pull it down and have it be less high-waisted. A really good material. It like sucks you in really well, but not like too much. There's also a slip under it. I can just imagine it's like a cheetah top. I also got this jean jacket. It's kind of like not necessarily like an army jacket, but like an army jacket. It's just like this army green color. It's a very big oversized jacket, which I really like. I live in Arizona. It doesn't get hot very soon, but when it does, I'm planning on wearing the heck out of this. Like my new favorite jacket. I think it's so cute. I love oversized things because they're not tight, so you don't have to look like, it makes you look put together, but like you don't need like sucking in your stomach. Standing up straight, you can like slouch and like eat that burrito. I'm never taking this off. I love how oversized it is. It has really baggy like arms, but right here there's like a little stitch, so it makes sure that like the armholes aren't too big. I love this. Look at how cool I look. Oh, that hit me in the face. Okay, I also got a sweater. I know that I live in the desert, but we crank the AC up so high because it's so hot outside, so I got this sweater to wear inside, and it is the softest thing I think I own. I'm not kidding. I want them to make a blanket out of this. Like, Lulu's, can you please heather gray. It has an off-the-shoulder neckline, which I love off-the-shoulder necklines, as you probably already know. It's very my style, very just simple and basic. I would say my style is like girly, but like more importantly comfortable, and that is exactly what this is. This is the softest thing I think I've ever put on in my entire life. Like, you can make it off the shoulder or you can just make it like a wider shoulder. This is so cute. I just keep touching myself. That sounds so inappropriate, but I keep touching it because it's so soft. It can be longer. If you want to wear like leggings or something, it like covers your crotch so you won't have a camel toe. Do a little French tuck. I also got this wrap dress, and wrap dresses are really hard to hold up. They just are really weird to put on. I don't know, but we'll show how it looks later. This is just the prettiest color ever. I love this color. As you guys probably know, I wear it all the time, and it has some pretty little triangles on it. It's like a midi length. That is super trendy right now. Hopping on the bandwagon. Lulu's has like really trendy stuff, and I'm not the trendiest person in the world, so I'm really trying hard at it. I feel like I'm going to a wedding right now. I also like that it's like really modest. In chapter, you have to like think of modesty. I like how they have more like casual options, but they have like options where you can get like more dressed up. I have one thing that's so cute, but I'm gonna save it to the end because it's like the cutest thing ever. I also got this just like simple white v-neck shirt. It's kind of like a little bit of an off-white cream color. There's some ribbing, v-neck. It's just like a really big, loose, boxy shirt. In college, you don't necessarily get dressed up and wear your mini skirts every day. You wear your mini skirts at night when you're like going out with your friends. I could wear to class, throw on. It's just like a nice like boxy, loungy shirt. In college, you don't really get dressed up too much, so I think this is just a nice shirt to like pair with some jeans or some leggings. Yeah, cute. Love that. I love this color, as you guys will probably see throughout this video. Also, another one that I thought would be cute to like throw on, kind of cropped but kind of not at the same time. Cinches in at the bottom. There's like this little band right here. I think it fits really well. Kind of like cinches here, so it's not super boxy and baggy, so it gives you some shape. I like that it's also like a high neckline. I feel like this is just such a great like casual throw on and go shirt. This outfit would probably take me 2 seconds to make. It's also so soft. I love this. I got this bodysuit, and I feel like this is like the sexiest thing I've ever owned. And you're probably like, how is that sexy? There's sleeves. I don't know why I just said that. It has a square neckline, and it has like this V right here. This is the cutest bodysuit I've ever seen in my entire life. I love the look of black bodysuits like tucked into a skirt or jeans. It's very like form-fitting, so it definitely sucks you in, tucks to all your curves. I like how it kind of goes up right here, as you guys can see. Just adds a little bit something different. I also got makeup on it by accident, so we're just gonna ignore that. You're that girl. Hot girl summer, but like hot girl school year. It's my favorite thing ever, and I wanted to wait to the end to show you guys it. Jumpsuit from Lulu's. It is so soft, like such good quality. Prettiest color ever. It has pockets, and we all know how we all feel about pockets. I'm like putting my hand in the pocket right now. I don't even know what these like shapes are, but they kind of remind me of like brush strokes. My arm is getting tired from holding it up. I see myself wearing this to chapter, or even to like dinner, or even to class, and I just want to wear it right now. I'm just trying to wait till the video's over so then I can put it on. I was wearing it before this video started, and then I was like, well, I have to show it in the video, so I can't be wearing it. Excuse me, but who gave me permission to look this cute? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. You can also make the straps like adjustable. Hello. This is, that kind of hurt my leg. They hit at such a good point of my legs. Oh, also, I love pantsuits because you don't have to like match a bob to a top. No. Okay, sorry, not Sharpay Evans. I love that you don't have to match a top to bottoms. I love all the items that I got from Lulu's. Link down below if you guys want to check them out and purchase them for yourself. 10 out of 10 recommend. Super cute and affordable and good quality. You can't go wrong. Then I went to Forever 21 and I only got 3 things. I hope that you guys are proud of me. Normally I buy out their entire store, but I think it's because I did buy out their entire store last time I was there. I was like going through the racks and I was like, I own that and that and that. I also vlogged when I did this. First thing I got is a pair of shorts. These are just a pair of white. They're stained. I haven't washed them yet since I wore them. I probably could have sized down on these. I think these are a little bit bigger. They're kind of baggy on me, but I do like that they have like the cuts at the bottom. They're frayed. They're high-waisted. I own a pair of white shorts that are number 1 dirty, number 2 really tight on me, and they like go up my butt and it's just really uncomfortable. So I wanted to get a pair that wouldn't do that. Are a little bit bigger, but they don't go up my butt, so I'm not trying to complain. They're a little baggy like right here and also my waist, but I do think that kind of gives them like the mom jeans short style, a good spot where they're not super short but also not like super long. I also got this shirt because I thought it would look good on my Instagram. Then when I got it, I realized I don't put bright colors on my Instagram, so then I had to desaturate the shirt for one of my pictures. It was a whole thing. Off the shoulder, chiffon. I also have no idea if it's orange or red because in every single lighting it looks different. Like in my viewfinder right now it looks orange, but in person it looks red. The only reason I got it was for my Instagram. This is my job, don't judge me, okay? This black jean skirt, which I think is so cute, I probably could have sized up and it fits me. I do spill a little over if I eat a lot of food, so like this is like a I eat a salad day kind of skirt. The reason I really like this skirt is because on the side there's this little cheetah print. It's so soft, I'd love to touch it. Velvet material. Every time I wear this I get compliments on it, so of course like you go Forever 21, like super cute. I also like how it kind of has like the raw edge, so there's like a little phrase at the bottom. Love that. That's all the clothes that I got. So now I have some school supplies that I got. You guys remember I did a school supplies haul. That was for a giveaway, so I didn't get to keep any of that. I wanted to get some stuff for when I start college, just like I'm a little bit prepared. First thing I got were these pens. These are gonna be Paper Mate Inkjoy pens. I'm trying to like really be careful because they're They're loud. She loud. I love pens, ballpoint pens especially. I only write in pens. The only time I'll ever write in pencil is if it's a test. I'm obsessed. I think they're cute. They make my life happier. I also got a planner. This is from Blue Sky. It's a tapped planner and it's weekly and monthly. I thought the color was really cute. I talk about planners all the time, but I'm obsessed with them and that I love them. The reason I got this was because there's lines to write on, so I don't like write crooked. All the other planners did not have lines, and I was like, what the heck is this? Just like throwing this out there, like maybe this won't ever happen, but if I were to ever make merch, I would love to do like a line of like planners or like to-do lists or dorm decor or something like that, like school related. I would love to do that. Just throwing it out there, just like manifesting it, putting it in the universe. Maybe 2 notebooks. So these are 5-star. The reason I got these are because they have a little pocket right there. I don't like buying folders. I tried to find the 5-subject notebooks, but I couldn't find them. Bought it in white and pink because cute colors. I also got some makeup and skincare stuff from Sephora. I got the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion in a travel size. I use this every single day, morning and night. Probably bought 10 of the big bottles. Traveling to New Mexico and to Florida, I thought this would be good for like sleepovers or something. I don't know. I can't go without this stuff. And then I also got some body lotion moisturizer thingies. So this is the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. This is a daily tanning moisturizer. One of my friends used this and she used it like every single day for like a couple weeks and she looked so tan. I was kind of mad. I was like, so I'm out here getting sun damage trying to tan and you're just applying lotion and you're getting tan? The Jergens Ultra Healing Extra Dry Skin Moisturizer. Ultra Healing kind of sucked me in. Whenever I go tanning, whether I get a sunburn or not, I peel, which is gross, but like it's life, whatever. So I got this too. Hopefully it prevent me from peeling because I needed some lotion. I also got some makeup. I got 2 bronzers. Probably should have just gotten 1, but I got 2. Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This stuff smells super good. This is my 3rd one of these when I went to New Mexico. It cracked. And then I also remember Beauty Gurus from like 2012 talking about the Physicians Formula Magic Mosaic. I hate this. I used it today. Didn't like it, but I'm probably still gonna use it because I bought it. As you can tell, I used it. I like obliterated. I don't think that's a word. This is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've heard really good things about this. The wand reminds me of like Shape Tape because it's like she fat, she thick, like she big. Little mini review. Tried it today. Not a fan. Whenever I wear makeup, I'm trying not to make it look like I'm wearing a ton, and this made it look like I'm wearing a ton, and it really caked up and made me crazy. Not my favorite, but I bought it, so I'll probably still use it. We're not wasting money out here. I also got my favorite foundation. This is the CoverGirl Atlas Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 foundation. Got it in a darker shade. Whenever I break out, I just like to go back to this to kind of figure out like what is breaking me out. Is it the foundation? Is it my diet? When I need to go back to this, I'm breaking out. That is everything that I got. That is my haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely check out Lulu's. They have awesome quality and really affordable pieces. I'll have all the clothes linked down below. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.